Hello everyone. My name is Sangameshwar Kalyani and I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication. Currently, I am a fresher. So today I am excited to present my mini project called as my own Digi Clock. As the name suggests, this project is all about creating a digital clock using Python's Tkinter library. In order to bring this project to life, I have utilized Python and its Tkinter library extensively. Tkinter provides a simple way to create graphical user interfaces UI, making it an ideal choice for building desktop applications like this digital clock. So, to execute this project, I have designed a graphical window using Tkinter. Let's run the project and see what it comes. So see, we have got our own Digi clock. So within this window, a large label displays the current time in a digital format, that is hour, minute and second and AM oblique PM. So the time updates every 200 millisecond, giving the illusion of running clock. So we can try giving different input like system time, and you can change with different time zones. So let's see. If we change the time zone from the settings to, say, let's suppose Kathmandu, which is in Nepal, and let's run this project again. So see, the time has changed because the time difference in India and Nepal is about 15 minutes. So we can see 12, 10 and 59 PM. Okay, so we can change with another time zone. Let's change and let's suppose this one, Beijing, which is in China. The time difference between India and China is 2 2 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so let's run this again. See, 14 26 37 minutes PM. So difference between India and China time difference is 2 hour 30 minutes. So our project is running fine. So by running the project with different inputs, we can we change with different time zones, that we can observe that the clock accurately reflects the current time and it continuously updates without any glitches. So during the implementation of this project, I learned several valuable concepts beyond Python programming, like graphical user interface development, time manipulation, GUI event handling, packaging user interface. Finally, my own Digi Clock has been an excellent project for enhancing my Python skills and diving into GUI development. It has given me valuable insights into time manipulation and event handling, which I can apply to more complex projects in the future. So that's all about my project. Thank you.